Let's check the old vault for footage and see what we got for today. Ooh, whoops, you are not supposed to see that. God bless America. All right, what do we got here? 1971 Dodge Charger RT. And I hope you like them big, because this one is even making your mama look small. Oh, thank you, yes. Coming up with jokes like this, it's extremely hard. So yeah, this thing with the driver sitting in it weighed in the day of racing at 4,350 pounds. Luckily, even with all that heft, this car has a magnum buried deep inside it. Wait a minute. Since this isn't a six-pack car, it's just a regular 440 with a 4-barrel, that's 370 horsepower, 480 pound-feet of torque. And then rounding off this delectable package is a 3-speed automatic transmission and a set of 355 rear gears. Car and Driver tested one of these back in the day and it ran the quarter. Car and Driver tested one of these back in the day and it ran the quarter in 14.8 seconds at 95 miles per hour. I think we should expect a similar result here. 1969 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. And that makes this my second favorite type of Cougar. At least this one won't give me herpes. And remember, if you laughed at that joke, that's your problem, not mine. And does this car have a big block? No. It's a 351, but it was still making 290 horsepower, 385 pound-feet of torque. And I know, that doesn't sound like a lot, but remember that this car has a 500-pound advantage over the Charger. This thing with Driver was 3,840 pounds. And like the Charger, it's got a 3-speed automatic transmission, and then out back is a set of 325 rear gears. It's fine. Just let it go. You do not need to comment about it.
Going against Rick Van Eck with his Cougar Eliminator, 351, 290 horsepower, the standard engine for the Eliminator.
In the first round, the Charger got a red light, so the automatic win goes to the Cougar. Let's see what happens in round two.
This is a Dodge Charger RT, 440 4-barrel, 370 horsepower, going against this Cougar Eliminator from 1969, Rick Van Eck. White was one of the 4 colors.
Both cars were a little bit slower in this round, but essentially the same result with the Cougar taking home the win. They decided to run round 3 anyway, so let's check that out.
Sometimes called Calypso Coral, and a blue. We have a blue one here at the race. And white, blue, yellow. Was there another Eliminator color? Maybe that's it? White, blue, yellow. 1971. 4-barrel.
Third round shows the same result with the Cougar taking home the win, so they get a clean sweep. It's just how drag racing goes sometimes. At least they were both awesome enough to bring out their cars for us to watch. Come on, I can see you're not subscribed to the channel, so just do me a little favor, hit the subscribe button, maybe tap that like button while you're at it, and then I'll see you at the next one.